Okay guys, so here I have my painted lady and it is looking a hot mess. This thing was gorgeous when I bought it. Gorgeous. I'm going to insert a video of what it looked like when I bought it so you can see what it looked like. But now look at it. It does have a new growth and it has some new growth points coming in, but the leaves are tinier and a lot of leaves are dying. That just fell off. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's not retaining any water because this pot is like, this is like dry like chips, and I water it like maybe like 2 days ago. I don't remember, but it wasn't that long ago. So today I'm gonna be repotting it. I'm gonna be giving it some fresh soil, and hopefully it could go back to its beautiful self. This is the pot that I want to put it in. I want to put it directly into this pot. It has a drainage hole and it has a built-in saucer, so that is what I am going to be doing today. So here we have it. I just took it outside of the cash pot and I'm going to take it over to the grass and see if I could get it out of here. It's very light, so that tells me that it's very, very dry. All right, so I want to see what the roots look like. Okay, this is never easy doing with one hand. Okay. All right, there we go. So not bad. All right, so it's not terribly root bound. It's not even root bound at all. So the pot that I'm gonna be putting it in will be a good size. It's just the soil that's not retaining any water. So let me go ahead and get the other pot, get some soil in it, and get this repotting going. Let me get off some of this soil. Actually, like, it just feels like peat moss. That's what it feels like, just some peat moss, and that's about it. Yeah, so I think, and right here is like just dry and crumbly. Like, look at that, just dry. See, the roots are good. Like, it has really nice roots. Look at that pink tip on that one. It's so gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pot and the soil ready. So here's my soil mix that I made. It's very chunky, so I am gonna just put some in this pot. I'm actually not gonna put in any more yet. I want to see, yeah, the position of the plant in the pot. Time to backfill. All right, so now it's time to, you know what? Make it easier. To make it easier, I'm just gonna do that. So when the dirt fall, it just goes right back in. Yeah. Perfect. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your soil mix. All right. Try to get some more in there. Oh my God, I feel like she's gonna be so much better. Got all this new fresh soil. That'll be holding moisture better. Alright, so now alright, so now I am going to be watering it and just cleaning those leaves. Yeah, getting those leaves nice and clean from all that dirt I got on it. My angle is weird because I'm from the side. Let's do like this then. Alright, get in the creases. So I'm definitely looking forward to see this flourish and get as pretty as it was when I first bought it, because it was gorgeous. Alright, so here she is in her spot, looking all half beautiful. Look at this leaf right here, gorgeous. I accidentally broke this. I didn't even realize until I was putting her back. This is a new growth. I'm upset. But she's still looking a little limp and floppy. But hopefully with this repot, she will go back to her beautiful self that she was when I got her. Yeah, she's a little limpy. You could tell that she was thirsty. But yeah, look at her. She's still gorgeous. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.